ABC2, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Hey everyone, ABC2, Chief Meteorologist Wyatt Everhart coming at you with your latest weather here online and on mobile. A cold start on this Wednesday morning. No question about it. We had sub-freezing temperatures. We had 32 in Baltimore for the first time since last April. So a very cold start this morning. But even as we go late tonight, air temps are hovering above the 30s, at least into the low 40s from Bel Air to Parkton. We'll cool off a little more overnight, but we should stay above freezing. And then into the morning, a cool start and then a warm up into the low mid 60s. However, clouds increase tomorrow and the chance for a shower comes in as early as the midday. So more clouds overnight, chance for a shower by midday tomorrow, and the chance for rain increasing as we go into Thursday late. Here's the overall setup here across the East Coast. You can see we're dry for the moment. We are tracking low pressure coming out of the Great Lakes. The system, as it moves eastward, will probably catch the bottom edge of it here in Maryland. Looking okay through about midday Thursday, but as we go into Thursday afternoon and evening, showers becoming much more likely. Could face some wet roads for that Thursday evening commute. Then we'll dry it out and clear things out for your Friday. With that in mind, here's that 7-day forecast. Chances for showers on Thursday, and then as we go into Friday, clearing out and breezy. It looks like a fairly mild weekend right now. We could hover near 70 Saturday and or Sunday. Halloween right now looks a bit cooler and more seasonable at 60. Thanks for logging on, and we'll see you right here next time at abc2news.com.